Feeling frustrated by paper paychecks and waiting for funds to clear? What if I told you that in just a few simple steps, you could get your paycheck deposited directly into your Capital One account, potentially up to 2 days early, and totally free? Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're cutting through the confusion and showing you exactly how to set up direct deposit with your Capital One account. Direct deposit is a game changer. It's secure, automatic, and can get your money to you faster than a paper check. The process has two main parts: getting your Capital One banking info, and then providing it to your employer or payer. First, let's grab those crucial numbers. You'll need your Capital One account number and the Capital One routing number. The easiest way is through the Capital One mobile app or the website. Sign into your Capital One account. Select the checking or savings account you want your deposits to go into. Look for a section like Account Details or View Details next to your balance. Your unique account number will be there. Remember, this is not your debit card number. Now, for the routing number. Capital One uses different routing numbers for different account types or regions. To make absolutely sure you have the correct 9-digit number for ACH transfers, that's what direct deposit uses, it's best to get it directly from the app or website alongside your account number. Alternatively, if you have Capital One checks, the routing number is the first set of 9 digits on the bottom left. Once you have those two numbers, you move on to step 2, providing them to your payer. Most employers or payers will ask you to fill out a direct deposit authorization form. This form will request your full name and maybe your social security number. Your Capital One bank name and address, often just Capital One, is fine. The routing number and account number you just found. The account type, checking or savings. The deposit amount, usually 100% of your pay, but sometimes you can specify a fixed dollar amount or percentage if you want to split it between accounts. Pro tip: Capital One often provides a pre-filled direct deposit form right within your online or mobile account, saving you the hassle of writing everything out. Just print it, sign it, and hand it to your payroll department or payer. Once submitted, your employer will take it from there. The first deposit might still come as a paper check as they test the new setup, but after that, you should be set for stress-free, automatic payments. And remember, with Capital One's early paycheck feature, your funds could hit your account up to 2 days sooner than scheduled. That's all there is to it. Finding your numbers, filling out the form, and you're on your way to faster, easier access to your money. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop a comment below if you've already set yours up or have any questions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.